At the end of this video, you will know how to remove the protection of an Excel file. So you will have this, the first, okay, with the protection. You can see it here, okay. It asks for a password, and you will have to remove this one. And you see now it's unprotected. Okay, no password asked, no protection. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's just see how to do this. Okay, we have our file here. So what we have to do is to erase this one. Okay, in order to remove the Excel protection, you will have to rename the extension from XL6 to zip. Okay, after that, once you have done that, you open it. Okay, you go to Excel worksheets. You can extract or you can run it from the zip file. In this case, we're going to extract it in the same folder. We're going to open this file. We're going to fetch for the word protect. We press Ctrl F. We type protect, and here you go. It's in the end. So in order to remove that Excel protection with the password, you need to erase or remove this tag. Okay, here, right here, with the new version, shield protection till sort. This one. Okay, you remove it, you save, and for the change to take effect, you will have to erase it. So you drag and drop to your zip file, and you erase the previous one. You press OK, and it's all set. What you have to do is to close your zip file, erase this one, okay, rename the extension from zip to XL6. You press yes, you launch again your file, and there you go. Now you can edit, you can suppress. It's just an example. Okay, if you go to the file informations, there is no password asked, no protection. You can do the protection again. And if you want to restore the protection, you will have to copy elsewhere the tag that had been removed. You copy it and you paste it in the same spot that was removed. You save, you drag and drop to erase the previous one, and it's all set. The protection should be restored. I hope that this tutorial was useful for you. I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell. Share the video, leave a like and a comment. Bye. See you in the next one.